if I have to make a tea, and the way I prepare a tea is, so if I have to prepare tea, say make a tea for 4 people. So what I'll do is I put the water down, counting every cup of water. So 1 cup, 2 cups, 3 cups, 4 cups. I have put or add milk, counting, okay? For 1, for 2, for 3, for 4. I'll add sugar, counting 1 spoon, 2 spoon for 2 people, 3 spoon for 3, 4 to 4. But if you are a master chef, a master tea maker,
Right.
like my mother was, she was a wonderful tea maker or a homemaker or a chef. She has to prepare tea for, say, 50 people. She will have a count. But the tea will be sufficient and exactly as required for 50 people.
Wow.
Whether 1 or 50, 10 or 50. She will never count the sugar. She will never count the tea. She will just go to the kitchen, put the water from the, open the tap, fill the bowl, put on the burner, and she will pour down this क्या बोलता है उसको from the jar.
Right.
उसको ढक्कन में लिया and then when वो there, and sugar will come right. No. She was a master tea maker. Now that is a perspective.